Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. The leading sector disrupted by RPA technology is the business process outsourcing industry. It was once common for companies, businesses, and enterprises to outsource front-to-back office processes to other countries to reap the benefits of cheaper labor costs and efficiency. RPA completely displaces outsourcing and BPO providers because high-volume administrative processes are precisely the tasks RPA software is designed to complete. Moreover, many businesses that outsource their back office and end-to-end processes continue to endure higher costs as other countries' wages increase. Using robot software to automate these processes dramatically reduces costs incurred from outsourcing human resources. So why wouldn't companies invest in RPA? While BPO providers are largely obsolete with RPA market growth, service providers can implement RPA into their model to ensure this doesn't happen. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.